The header tag allows you to create emphasized text, such as titles or headings. Header tags come in different sizes depending on the level of emphasis you require. Let's insert a few headers in our document under our existing text items. To insert a header, we'll start with the open header tag. The 1 value represents the size of the header. The smaller the value, the larger the header. We'll insert a few more just to see some of the different sizes available. Now let's save our file and take a look at the changes in our web browser. So here we can see our 4 headers. Notice that header 1 within the H1 open and close tag is the largest. Header 2, header 3, and header 4, which is the smallest.